Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the first impression and unboxing video from the user point of view. So let's get started. So this is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra device, which I got after exchanging my older Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra device, for which I already posted a video how I ordered and what was the price. I exchanged my old device and the exchange experience was really bad. Reason being, first, the delivery time was very high. I received this package very delayed, and while exchange also there was a lot of issues in their app. My older device was not getting detected, and due to which there was additional delay of 1 to 2 days. So that was pretty bad. Anyways, finally I received my device, so let's get started about the unboxing. So this is the package which we get from the Samsung. Now let's open this up. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Samsung written here, and there is a bill. If my camera focuses correctly, the bill comes out to be 1,16,999. Inside this box there is another box, and this seems to be cushioned with some paper. So let's keep this box aside and focus on the final one. So this is cushioned really well. Let's remove the cushion, and this is the final box. Galaxy S25 Ultra written here on the front. Good looking S25 Ultra preview here. You can see the rounded body corners. On the left, S25 Ultra print. On the right, it's Samsung. If my camera focuses perfectly, then you could see the model number of this device, S938, and what are the contents inside the box. Overall, good looking package. It is similar to Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, just the front UI is different. Everything remains same. Let's break the seal here. Yes, wow, finally our device. Anyway, we have two things here. Right one, there are some documentation. I think it should be some user guide, USB type C cable, and SIM ejector tool. Let's see if we get anything extra. I don't think so we should get, but anyway. So this is USB type C cable, this is the user guide, and we should also have the SIM ejector tool somewhere. Let's check this. Yeah, it's here. So we have three things. Okay, keep this aside for now, and let's focus on the primary thing, which is our phone. So this is how our phone looks like. From the back it looks really well, because the color is very uniform, so that is why it's not looking something odd. It's totally matte black. Samsung India Electronics. On the top we have mic. On the back three cameras and two. This is the side view. We have volume rockers up there on the right side. Titanium cover. Looks really good, really premium look. Let's check out the S Pen here, if it's matching or not. Oh no, so this S Pen is not matching the body color of the phone. It's white color, only the tip is colored black. And also what we have heard till now, that from the S Pen, Bluetooth has been removed, which were there in S23 and S24. The feeling of the buttons are really good. It's clicky. Let's boot this phone up. So while it boots up, I want to let you know that I will be posting videos on whether the upgrade from S23 to S25 Ultra, is it really worth it. All those videos will be coming on my channel. So if you like this kind of content, please subscribe this channel and hit like button. Comment if you have any queries, or if you want any different kind of videos. You are always welcome, because it motivates us to make videos. So let's get started. So welcome screen came up. I will skip all these things. I will go to the home screen as soon as possible. So I will skip the Wi-Fi setup. If you want these videos how to set up for the first time, I can make it up. You just comment down below. I'll skip this part as well. Skip. Next, go to home. Yeah, so we have come to the home screen. It looks really neat. We have this now brief. It will show all those hints for the first time. It looks and feels really fast. Experience is very fast. I can sense that it is full HD screen set as of now by default, but I will change it to QHD. So you can see in the about phone, the device product name is S25 Ultra, and it should be 1 UI 702 and based on Android 15. Yes, really quick. I will be also testing a lot of AI features of this phone. So please subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or any questions, please ask in the comments. And if you want me to make any certain kind of videos, then yeah, please comment down below. This is how it looks from the back, front, overall. Okay, bye then.